In those 4 years, I just sort of went into my shell. It wasn't me at all, right? Illness can put you in such a dark place. And yes, I would say I've never struggled with mental health, but boy, I struggled with mental health.
I still do suffer with mental health. I do suffer with depression, anxiety, social anxiety. And that depression went on and on and on and on for years and years. It's in some really dark places. And that was before having a diagnosis.
I get the diagnosis of cancer, and I go through chemo, then emergency surgery, and then coming out of it. Loads of things that happened all at the same time, which, trying to process all of that,
it's huge.
it broke me. It really did break me. I am existing, I'm not living.
But that won't last forever. Like, it's temporary.